Welcome back to the channel. I am Alexandra. This beautiful bike is KTM 950 Rally, a Dakar champion from the early 2000s. This bike is equipped with a top box, ready for adventure, where you can throw all sort of equipment in it. But what if I told you that this convenience is actually a lever? And it's a lever that is actively trying to pry your front tyre off the pavement. Today, we're talking about the physics of the top box and why it might be the most dangerous accessory on your bike. Every motorcycle has a sweet spot. We call it the center of gravity. A low center of gravity makes the bike feel planted and easy to handle at stoplights. A forward center of gravity keeps your front tire glued to the road for precise steering. Now look what happens when we add a top box. The center of gravity moves up and back. By placing weight high up and behind the rear axle, you've just created a seesaw effect. Because that box sits behind your rear wheel, it acts like a literal lever, lifting weight off your front forks. So why does that matter? Well, your front tire is your steering department. When it gets light, the steering starts to feel vague or whispery. At low speeds, the bike feels top-heavy, like it wants to flop over in a parking lot. But at high speeds, that's where the real danger lives. With less weight on the front end, you are one pothole or one gust of wind away from a tank slapper. That light front end can start to oscillate, and because the weight is so far back, the bike can't settle itself down. And it's not just about the ride, it's about the bike itself. Most subframes are designed to hold a passenger between the wheels, but a top box puts all that stress on the very end of the frame. Overpack that box, hit a few big bumps on the highway, and you're asking a few millimeters of aluminum or steel to fight physics. We've seen racks snap and subframes crack because people treat their top box like a trunk. Even when you're not moving, the danger doesn't stop. A high center of gravity means your bike is much easier to tip over. Does this mean you should throw your top box in the trash? Not necessarily. But you need to respect the physics. Keep it light. Put your heavy tools and locks in a tank bag or low-slung panniers. Use it for volume, not weight. Use the top box for your jacket or your helmet. Light, bulky items. Check your racks. Inspect your mounting points regularly. Your bike was engineered to be a precision machine. Don't let a plastic box turn it into a liability. Ride safe, keep the weight low, and I'll see you in the next one.